Welcome back. Now, it's hard to find positives in the coronavirus crisis, but nature may be one of them. The reduction in pollution has led to cleaner air, clearer skies, and according to the RSPB, louder bird calls. They say it's because of the drop in traffic noise and birds nesting closer to paths and roads. Well, here's Sky's Lisa Holland on how the global lockdown may be creating a cleaner planet.
Urged to stay indoors, many have been unable to share the joys of spring. A season forever lost, but also one which is looking and sounding slightly different. It's not your imagination. The birds are louder, one of the more noticeable impacts of lockdown. This is a nature reserve in the West Midlands run by the RSPB. Small changes are already being noticed by staff around the country.
Just on some of our nature reserves, we're seeing that birds are changing their nesting behaviour a little bit. They're nesting much closer to footpaths and busier spots than they would have done before when visitors were there. And second of all, lots of people from the public are getting in touch asking why they can hear more birds, why birdsong seems so loud. And that's for two reasons. So first of all, the birds are competing with less air and road traffic noise. And secondly, we're just taking the time to stop and take notice and listen. And obviously it's springtime, the birds are getting really busy and singing a lot more.
It's not just nature lovers making the most of the great outdoors. Stargazers are having a field day too. With less pollution comes a better view of the sky at night. Astronomers have been revelling in clear images of the Lyrid meteor shower.
I really hope that what we see now with the renewed interest in stargazing, that we're going to see that lasting after this period has passed, and that we will, in some sense, reclaim the sky.
And across the world, a planet in pandemic paralysis is looking different. From the Italian city of Milan, an unusually clear view of the Alps. This is the impact of 6 weeks of lockdown over Venice. The slowdown in the industrial powerhouse of China has also resulted in brighter skies. And whilst we're all indoors, there have been glimpses of animals reclaiming the streets. From kangaroos in Australia to wild boar in Israel. Closer to home, goats in Wales, audacious in the places they now roam. In Essex, the locals were seen making friends with deer. One way round the lockdown rule to hang out only with people from your own household. Lisa Holland, Sky News.